guys, it's Brennah and I'm with Alex again. Hey girl, hey. And we're at Hollywood Studios, if you could not tell. There's the ugly stage and the rest of the park. But we are here and it's very crowded. So we don't really want to go on any rides because the lines are going to be really long. So I think today is going to be a character meeting day. So come along with us. I think we're going to go check the line for Star Lord first and see if we can jump on that real quick. Probably won't be real quick, but we'll see. So first I should point out that they've changed one-man stream and now is like all this stuff in one-man stream, which I think makes more sense. It's really pretty, yeah. It was a good update, I would say. Alright, here we are, and only a 20-minute wait, so I think we're gonna do it.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Thank you very much. Why don't you step right over here, Groot?
Oh my gosh, hello Groot. So cute.
She started taking a full video of just you. I mean, you're all pretty popular, but we saved the galaxy twice, right?
Yeah, that's true. I can get a little bit of both.
Sorry, Groot was signed because he's not a big fan of how pencils are made.
Oh, I don't blame him.
Still kind of working on it.
Alright, so that was a pretty successful Star Lord meet and greet, I would say. I haven't seen the movie, so I didn't know how to talk to him. It was just kind of like a really short interaction, but they were cute. Groot was really talkative, so that was good. But I think now we're going to go check out the new section of Hollywood Studios that just opened up, which is Grand Avenue, because we just like literally completely forgot that it opened. Yeah. We like walked in and we're like, oh right, there's something new to do. So we're just taking in the old great movie ride right now. There's the new ride coming in. I'm gonna just pass this camera to Alex for a second.
Let me tell you.
Do you want to hold on to it? Like really?
I don't know, I'm really bad at this stuff. Okay, so as some of you guys might know, this was the great movie ride. It was in this beautiful little place. I'm sure this angle is really beautiful. But now they're doing this. I'm not sure if you can see it, but can you see it?
Yeah, you're good.
It's their like runaway railway. And it's supposed to be like, I don't know, innovative and cool or whatever, but it's in the Disney Channel styling of their animation, and I think it looks horrible. I really hope they don't touch all of this.
It's stunning.
Amazing.
They won't touch this.
Because we have like, you know, all the old photographs and artifacts and people's like handprints and stuff. But they're trying to make it seem like they're making it okay, but we all know GMR was the best and the greatest and the last imprint of Hollywood Studios that is now gone. So I'm not very thrilled about it. But Brennah seems less sad.
Yeah. I don't think anyone's as attached to Great Movie Ride as Alex, so.
R.I.P.
She was gonna get married there.
Reception. I was gonna have my reception in the Wizard of Oz area. They took it away from me.
Look, it's backstage for the Star Wars show. You just missed C-3PO. They really need to hide that better, don't they?
Yeah, their show here is not very thought out.
We're just... Hollywood Studios is in its awkward teenage years right now, and it's about to turn into a beautiful adult. We just have to wait. Alright, so here we are, Grand Avenue. So, if you go to Sci-Fi Diner, it's just right next door. It's actually where the old Writer's Stop shop used to be. I love this. I love the aesthetic of this. Doesn't this just feel like a downtown area? Like, yeah. Do you have a vlog also? What's your channel? I'll give you a shout out.
We're vloggers.
What's your channel?
We're the business vlog fam. We're pretty proud. Look at this flight.
Great. Alright, so this is the inside. This is cool. I love this. And it's just kind of like a bar. Nice. Okay, so I got the California Sunset, which is a cocktail on tap. And you got their cider on tap, right?
Yes, I did.
What was it, like a berry?
It's a blood orange cider.
Tell us how it is.
I like it.
I'm excited for this. It's just really pretty. It does look like a sunset. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's very good, very refreshing. Yeah, A+. This is really cool. I just want to point out the wonderful playlist here. It's just acoustic covers of pop songs, and I'm living for it. How about you?
It's very peaceful. I like it a lot.
I could see myself just kind of coming to studios to come sit here, so I'm really excited that this exists. So here comes the rain. We moved because of that. Now we get to watch the people run. Alright, so baseline is also a great rain cover spot. We aren't getting wet. And it's pouring right now, if you can't tell, or hear. My feet are a little wet, but other than that, this is great. I'm just gonna sip my cocktail and wait. It's coming down. I like watching the people who either trying to run, and then there's the people that just kind of have given up and have accepted their fate. And then there's the people like us who are all hiding. I didn't bring an umbrella.
I have to protect my back.
My back's actually not that bad, it's like the sides.
Well, it's running this way.
Oh, yeah. The string lights came on. Wow. I love this place. I'm living for this right now. We've just been sitting here for an hour, I think. Who is this? She just found the music.
It's some like Bosa Lounge cover album. But it's catchy.
Wow, I'm living my best life, guys. It's great. So there's been a change of plans. We're not going to meet any more characters. Instead, we are waiting for Frozen. Hi, Alex. I'm just telling them we changed our plans, so we're not meeting any more characters. That's true, we got time. I just think, because it was raining, everyone probably fled to places where it was covered, and characters are usually covered. That's true, there's not a lot of people right. Well, this is just the fast pass area. They let the standby peasants stand outside. Never mind then. Stay tuned though, for now we're seeing Frozen. You can hear us sing maybe, we'll see.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all people of the Kingdom of Hollywood Land, please welcome Her Majesty, the Queen of Arendelle.
It's wonderful. I mean, hello, citizens of the Kingdom of Hollywoodland. I'm Anna. Princess Anna. Well, you're all here to hear the story of my sister, the Queen of Arendelle. Oh, nice touch. So have any of you seen my sister? No. Oh, well, she's about so tall, blonde, kind of keeps to herself. Oh, yeah, and she has these really weird icy snow powers. No. Oh, I know. Hey, Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Yeah, that never really works. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this by myself. Okay, to tell our story, please help me introduce the newly appointed Royal Historians of Arendelle.
Okay. Well, I need to come out, so I'm coming out and I go, are all these people here to see us? Awesome! Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing, because I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's a party talking or the chocolate fondue.
Hello again.
And she brought that other guy.
Other guy! It's Kristoff.
Kristoff. It's Kristoff. Wait a minute, what's happening?
Oh, it's getting colder. Hey everyone, who do you think that could be?
Your Majesty!
I'm so glad you're here. The royal historians have been in telling our story. Well, thank you. And that was a very good story you told. Though the ending felt strange. Oh, well, I mean, Olaf did help a lot.
Are, it was you who saved your sister and yourself.
An act of true love will thaw a frozen heart. My sister, Elsa, I love you. Queen Elsa, I just have to let you know, the citizens of the Kingdom of Hollywood Land did a great job singing our anthems.
It was like they'd heard the songs before.
Well, that's wonderful. And for knowing our history so well, I hereby decree that you are all honorary citizens of Arendelle.
Alright, so park's about to close, so we're just kind of wandering through Grand Avenue in the Muppets area. And it's pretty empty. Like, hey Alex. Hey, empty streets. So I think it's time to end this vlog, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Unless Alex has a better sign off. Right now, on the spot, sign off, go.
No.
Great, I'm just gonna end all my vlogs with no.